Hi, everybody. This is Craig Phillips, also known as Craig the Water Guy at Quality Water Treatment at qualitywatertreatment.com. Thank you for your business. We very much appreciate it. Just wanted to send you a quick video here, just kind of give you a reminder of why you purchased your water softener. Water softeners have a lot of benefits for your family and your home. It's one of the very few appliances that actually pay for themselves. It gives you great tasting drinking water, still leaving some of the important nutrients in your water. It it makes your skin and hair soft and really nice, so you don't have to buy a bunch of lotions all the time. It keeps your skin from drying out and your hair from drying out. Wear and tear on appliances. Soft water lessens the wear and tear on your appliances, makes them last longer, gives you softer clothing and linens, keeps the color from fading out of your clothes and your linens, making them last a lot longer. The hot water heater lasts longer. You don't have to heat through a bunch of rock that builds up on the bottom of your hot water heater due to hard water. With soft water, you eliminate that. The water softener will actually start dissolving that rock that is currently built up in your hot water heater. You can flush your hot water heater after about a week and use the soft water to speed the process up if you'd like, but it will dissolve it over a period of time, making your hot water heater more efficient, saving you money in electrical, as well as increasing the life of your hot water heater as well. So there's a lot of major benefits to having a water softener, and you made a great decision purchasing that. Thank you again for your business. We really appreciate it. If you have any more questions, you can go to our website at qualitywatertreatment.com. At the bottom of the page, you can click on FAQs, and there's a lot of different answers there to all kinds of different commonly asked questions. Or you can use our live chat on our website and talk to one of us here. We're more than happy to help you. Or use our contact page to send us an email. As well as you can call us at our toll free number at 866 278 4130. Thank you very much and have a great day.